questions to find out order and degree. D cube x upon dt cube plus d square x second order derivative plus first order derivative of x with respect to t is equals to et. Second order derivative of y with respect to x plus 4y is equals to 0. dy upon dx whole square plus dx upon dy 1 upon dy upon dx is equals to 2. Square root of 1 plus dy upon dx whole square is equals to c d square y dx square power 1 by 3. First we will find the order and degree of these equations. Now in the first question, highest order derivative is third order derivative. So order of this equation is 3 and power of the highest order derivative is 1. So degree is 1. In the second equation, highest order derivative is second order derivative and its degree is 1. In the third equation, we can write it as dy upon dx whole square plus dx upon dy is equals to 2 plus dx upon dy is equals to 2. Here highest order derivative is 1 and its degree is 2. Now in the fourth question, there is a square root of the equation. First we have to remove square root. So we will do squaring on both sides. So squaring both sides we get 1 plus dy upon dx whole square is equals to c d square y dx square power 2 by 3. Now here to remove its power of fractions we do cubing on both sides. After cubing we get 1 plus dy upon dx whole square power 3 is equals to c d square y upon dx square. Now highest order derivative is 2 here and degree of the highest order derivative is also 2. Note it down. Now the next question is cube root of d square y upon dx square is equals to square root of dy upon dx. First what we do to remove the cube root, we will do cubing on both sides. Taking cube on both sides we get d square y upon dx square. Cube root means its power is 1 by 3. When we do cubing 3 into 1 by 3, so it will cancel and we get d square y upon dx square. Now when we do cubing here, its power is 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. Now we have to remove the fractional powers. To remove this, what we do, squaring both sides. After squaring we get d square y upon dx square is equals to dy upon dx power 3. Now here order is 2. Order of this differential equation is 2 and degree is also 2. Order is 2 and degree is 2. Now the next question is s square d square t upon d s square plus st dt upon ds is 0. Here highest order derivative is of order 2 and power of highest order derivative is 1. Second order derivative square plus first order derivative cube plus sin y is equals to 0. Highest also 2. So order 2 and degree is also 2. Now next question is dy upon dx plus ey is equals to 0. Here differential equation is of first order and power of first order derivative is also 1. dy y d square x upon dy square is equals to y square plus 1. Here second order derivative, so order is 2 and degree of second order derivative is 1. y d square y upon dx square plus dy upon dx cube x d cube y upon dx cube power 2. Here highest order derivative is of order 3 and degree of highest order derivative is 2. Next one is dy upon dx power 4, dy upon dx power